Mucinex Registered Nightshift Registered Cold and Flu Liquid 9 fluid ounces. Relieves fever, sneezing, sore throat, runny nose, and controls cough. About this item. Trusted cold and cough brand. Mucinex is the first cold and cough brand doctors trust * and #1 pharmacist recommended brand. Product description. Mucinex Nightshift Cold and Flu is a nighttime multi-symptom relief medicine for your cold and flu symptoms. Mucinex Nightshift Cold and Flu helps reduce fever, relieve pain, headache, cough, runny nose, sneezing and sore throat. Mucinex is the #1 cough and cold brand doctors trust and #1 pharmacist recommended brand. This product contains 9 fluid ounces. Use as directed for adults and children 12 years of age and over. Symptoms relieved. Mucinex Nightshift Cold and Flu helps reduce fever, relieve pain, headache, cough, runny nose, sneezing and sore throat. Active ingredients. Contains acetaminophen, pain reliever/fever reducer, Dextromethorphan HBr, cough suppressant, Triprolidine HCl antihistamine to alleviate sneezing, runny and itchy nose and watery eyes. Take only as directed.